Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on Google Pixel Fold. And to do this, first we'll need to find the SIM slot, which is located on the bottom of our device, and it's right here. And then now take the SIM needle and stick it inside the gap right here. Use a bit of the force to release it, and inside we have SIM slot number 1. And there's actually one SIM slot, a physical SIM slot on this device, but as far as I know you can get additional SIM card in this device by getting the eSIM if you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.